Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now let's solve this together real quick. We have c factorial equals to c raised to power 3 minus c. We want to find the value of c. Right, so we are going to start with our domain. Okay, so what is our domain? C must be greater than or equals to 2. Right, so it means that the value of c that we're going to get should be either 2 or greater than 2. So anything less than 2 will make this invalid. All right, so let's start with what c factorial is. All right, so let's start with what c factorial is. C factorial is same thing as c open bracket c minus 1, then c minus 2 factorial. Right, so that is what c factorial is. And then also we can factorize this. We have c raised to power 3 minus c. Then this will be, let's factor out the c first. C is common, we bring it out. Then what do we have here? We have c squared minus 1, okay, because c times c squared will give us c cubed, then c times minus 1 will give us minus c. Then we can still factor this, okay, so we can use difference of squares. Remember, if we have c squared minus 1, same thing as c squared minus 1 square, and we have difference of squares. If we have a square minus b square, it will give you a minus b, a plus b. Right, difference of squares, and that's what we are going to do here. So that means that this can be c, then we have c minus 1, c plus 1. Okay, so that is what c cubed minus c is. Then we can now equate this and this since we have them here. So that means c factorial equals to c cubed minus c is the same thing as, what is c factorial? C minus 1, c minus 2 factorial equals to, now what is this? This is c minus 1, then c plus 1. Okay, now c times c minus 1 can cancel c times c minus 1 here. So this cancel this. So we have c minus 2 factorial equals to c plus 1. All right, so from here, let's say n is equals to c minus 2. And then if n is equals to c minus 2, that means that our c now will be n plus 2. Okay, by the time we bring this minus 2 to this side, it become plus, then c will now be n plus this 2. All right, so now from here we have c minus 2 factorial, and then c minus 2 is n. That gives n factorial here equals to, anywhere we see c, we write n plus 2. So c here will be n plus 2, then plus this one. Okay, so we have n factorial equals to n plus 3. Now let's test the small values of n. Okay, let's test small values of n. So let's say n equals to 2, n equals to 2, then we write this n factorial equals to n plus 3. So if n equals to 2, we have 2 factorial equals to, n is 2 here, 2 plus 3. What is 2 factorial? 2 factorial is 2 times 1, and this is 5. So we have 2 and 5. So 2 is not equals to 5. This is not valid. Now let's test 3. Let's say n equals to 3 this time around. So we have n factorial equals to n plus 3. So we have 3 factorial equals to 3 plus 3. What is 3 factorial? 3 times 2 times 1. 3 plus 3 is 6. Then 3 times 2 is 6 times 1. So we have 6 equals to 6. That shows that n equals to 3 is valid. Right, so if n equals to 3 is valid, then we can now write n equals to 3. Okay, our n equals to 3. Then let's recall that we say n equals to c minus 2, right? Then n is 3, we have 3 equals to c minus 2, and then c equals to, when you bring this here, it becomes 3 plus 2, our c equals to 5. All right, so that means the value of c equals to 5. Let's quickly check. Let's check if that is correct. All right, so we have c factorial equals to c cube minus c, and we say our c is 5, so we have 5 factorial equals to 5 cube minus 5. What is 5 factorial? 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 5 cube is 125 minus 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 3 is 60. 60 times 2 is 120. 120 times 1 is 120. And then 125 minus 5 gives 120. Alright, so 120 equals to 120 is valid. That means that C equals to 5 is a valid answer. Okay, now let's try something similar to that. Let's try this. C factorial equals to C cube minus 2C squared plus 3C squared plus 2C. Alright, so let's try this and write our answer under the comment section. Thanks guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please and please do subscribe. See you next time.